Blister on.
Yeah. Ano yung design?
It's Aramaic for prayer that links you straight to God.
Okay.
Aramaic is the language of God that he used when he was alive, Jesus. And if you go now to Israel, there's still a few tribes that remember how to use the language, but it's slowly dying. So it means a lot to me that the prayer in Aramaic, in the original language of God, is on me.
Okay. Religious person ka pala.
No, I think I'm more spiritual.
Spiritual.
Yeah. Religion to me is organized by man. It's more important to be spiritual. To
Okay.
appreciate the best of all. Buddhism.
Ilan taong ka na, Ana?
47.
Yan na tayo.
Mukha ba siyang 47? Okay, salamat.
Thank you.